Technology is transforming every day, and the best way to stay up to date is right here. Tech Lyceum is back with an exciting episode on predictive maintenance and machine learning. Join us as we explore how this technology is creating waves in the manufacturing sector. Leading the conversation are two Birlasoft industry experts, Rishi Verma, Global Practice Director, Artificial Intelligence, and Narasimha Rao, Senior Director, Client Partner.
In today's smart connected factory ecosystem, predictive analytics is playing a very pivotal role in optimizing the operations, reducing the downtime, maximizing asset utilization, right? So these maintenance models are very essential to our manufacturing industries to forecast equipment failures proactively and schedule your timely maintenance and minimizing the unplanned breakdowns and associated costs. And when we are talking about these models, these models can range from traditional statistical techniques like regression analysis to advanced machine learning algorithms like neural networks.
There are opportunities as well as challenges there, right? So let me put it into a perspective by giving a real-time example. See, one of the solutions I sold, particularly in predictive maintenance aspect, is the Life Hub. Now, it's a solution based on analyzing the remaining life of a part. See, in a manufacturing company, they manufacture multiple parts, right? Each part comes up with its own life cycle. Now, as this part is being used, its life cycle, the originally life cycle designated at the design time might vary. So it's important for customers to understand what is the remaining life.
Keep up with the tech revolution only on Tech Lyceum. Catch the full episode on www.birlasoft.com.